Good morning, students. In our last class, we have done 3 sections of worksheet number 3: reading section, writing section, and grammar section. Today, we are going to do section number 4th and 5th, vocabulary section and literature section. Let us do section 4th is vocabulary section. First is make sentences of following pair of words with meaning. First pair of word is diary. First of all, write meaning of these words, then convert it in sentences. Meaning of diary is, it means a notebook for daily record. जैसे आप होमवर्क लिखते हो अपनी डायरी पे. Its sentence is, I wrote my homework in my diary. Clear? Next is dairy. D-A-I-R-Y. Spelling of diary is D-I-A-R-Y. Second is dairy. It's a place where milk kept. Its sentence is, butter is a dairy product. Clear? Next, second is no and no. No, N-O, no means, no means not any. Its sentence is, I have no money. Next, no. K-N-O-W means having any information. Its sentence is, I know the answer of this question. Clear? Next, third is here. Here means this place. Its sentence is, come here please. H-E-R-E here. इसको यूज किया जाता है किसी को जैसे बोलते हैं कम हेयर प्लीज, इधर आओ, उस फॉर्म में. नेक्स्ट इज हियर. H-E-A-R here. Here means be aware of sounds. Its sentence is, can you hear these sounds? क्या आप ये sound सुन सकते हो? It is used for sounds. We have 3 pair of words. First is diary and dairy. Diary, it can be spelled as D-I-A-R-Y. Dairy, D-A-I-R-Y. Next is no. N-O, no. And no, K-N-O-W. Next pair of word is here. H-E-R-E and here H-E-A-R. Here and here. Second is match the words in the column A to their correct antonym, means opposite words, in column B. We have 2 columns. Under column A we have words virtue, wild, vague, cheerful, certain. Under column B we have doubtful, gloomy, tame, wise, and definite. Now, antonym of virtue is wise. V for virtue, V for wise. Next is wild. Antonym of wild is tame. T-A-M-E. Next is vague. Vague means not clear. Its antonym is definite. Next is cheerful. Its antonym is gloomy. Certain, it is used for surety. Its antonym is doubtful. Virtue will go with wise. Wild will go with tame. Vague will go with definite, cheerful, gloomy, and certain. It will go with doubtful. Clear? Next, last section is literature section. Answer the following questions. First question is, where is the poet keen to go? Poet कहाँ जाना चाहता था? He wants to go to Innisfree. Innisfree can be spelled as INNINS free. FREE. Innisfree. He wants to go to Innisfree. Question number 2 is, what is Pavement's grey symbolic of? In poem, the Lake Isle of Innisfree, what does it mean? It indicates dirty and it is symbolic of dirt and pollution in the towns and cities. Clear? Next, question number 3. How noon is described in the poem? Noon को इस poem में कैसे describe किया गया है? Noon has a pleasant purple glow. कैसे describe किया गया है? Purple glow की form में. Next, question number 4 is true or false. First is the poet seeks a lazy life. Poet को कैसी life चाहिए थी? Lazy? No. It is false. Second is the poet wishes to embark on the journey when he is old. Poet कहाँ जाना चाहता था? Innisfree. और कब जाना चाहता था? Immediately. उसी time वो Innisfree जाना चाहता था. But the sentence is that he wants to go on the journey when he is old. So it is false. Last is word meanings. Last is meaning of word glimmer. It means shiny. SHINY, shiny. Second is core, CORE, core. It means the innermost part. Core of the heart means the core of the heart is the innermost part of the heart. Clear? Before writing vocabulary section and literature section in your notebook, first of all, revise and then note it down in your notebooks. Thank you.